Hi, in today's criminal law Q&A, we're going to go over the concept of what is credit for time served and when do I get credit for time served. Well, there's a couple of considerations we need to do. We need to look at your pre-conviction time, and then we also need to look at what's called revocation time. What do I mean? Pre-conviction, you get arrested. From the moment of your arrest to the moment you post bond, or if you don't post bond until the day you are sentenced, every day that you spent in jail, you're entitled to credit as a matter of law. Okay. Now there's an interesting issue that comes up when people have multiple charges and they get consecutive sentences. And the way the case law has interpreted that scenario, as long as the judge gives you credit for time served on each of the charges, you will get your pre-conviction time credited to each sentence, and then the balance runs consecutively. Obviously, if you get a concurrent sentence, all the time runs on both. Now, what happens if you're out on probation and you kind of mess up? What happens? Well, you still get credit for time served. This will include all the credit that you have earned pre-conviction and sentence, okay, as well as any time that you've been in jail on a probation hold. And then with new laws that have been passed since 2017, you also can get credit for what's called street time. Every day that you've successfully completed probation or parole on the street, you'll get that credited towards your sentence as well. Okay, so you do get credit for time served. The law has changed in the last couple of years to make it more beneficial for people accused and convicted of crimes.